Park named after Kirill Trilovsky in Kolomyia city. Kirill Trilovsky, this is a famous local Ukrainian leader at the beginning of 20th century. That is, by the way, his photo. The park itself not so big, and it welcomes you with such board. Don't throw away rubbish. And there is one children playground, one small restaurant, and frankly speaking, it requires some renovation. Because the park itself is very green, also big, middle size, but infrastructure, all this place is required to be better. So I think municipality of Kolomyia city soon will face to this park and improved all this minus. But moreover, there is a very big potential. Some small monument to some deers and to Adam Mickiewicz, well-known Polish poet, writer, and some open-air theater. It is, frankly speaking, all in this park.